Okay, today we are going to be reviewing how to omit particular brands from entering our system. So, whether it's from your point of sale feed or maybe you're hooked up through one of our distributor feeds, if there are problematic brands for whatever reason that you do not want on your website, we have the ability to pre filter those out on the incoming CSV that we are receiving from your system, whatever that system is. So the example I'll use today is one that we've already come across, Werner Ladders. So if I search that in our system for all the Werner Ladder products, you will see sort of a common trend here is they all start with the same manufacturer prefix, which is this, we've had some zeros in here, but 51751. And maybe even the zero on there too. So it's the first six digits, yes, 517510. The first six digits of a manufacturer barcode are consistent across the board. So we specifically target those when we set up your point of sale feed or your distributor feed, and we can ignore, if the row that we're looking at on the CSV has this barcode prefix in it, we're going to ignore that. So I'll show you an example of how we set that up. Okay, so here is the filter that our team has applied for a customer. So if I click into this, okay, so we've got if the barcode string contains this string of text, which is 51751, that manufacturer prefix. And you can actually combine these two. So if your particular use case has multiple brands that you need to ignore, then we're going to use this or connector and make sure that, hey, if the brand barcode is this, or if it's this, if the filter matches any of these conditions, do not include the line. So we are going to ignore all rows. If those products were already on your site, the products will be removed in 2 days. The vast majority of our customers have removals set up for 2 days. So in this instance, after 2 days passes, we're not going to see any of these barcodes anymore because we're going to start ignoring them. And Catalyst is going to say, okay, I haven't seen those barcodes anymore. So go ahead and remove them from the site. So there is a grace period of about 48 hours between when we implement this filter and when it will be removed from your site. But you can stack those here in the system, and there is really no limit to the number of barcodes that we can omit from processing. So just something to note on your customer-facing dashboard, these products, because we're ignoring them altogether in order to get them out of your POS feed, you will not see them on the matched or unmatched section anymore. They're going to be ignored entirely. So if something changes with that brand or whatever it be, and you need to get them back in to be able to request them or things like that, please let our team know so that we can remove those filters and start recognizing those products as valid again. So that's how you can omit particular brands from being on your Catalyst feed.